Let's put a Jamaican twist on a classic rack of lamb. Herb-crusted rack of lamb with a red label wine sauce reduction. I know that sounds absolutely delicious. Not only is this dish stunning, but it offers tenderness and bold Caribbean flavors. Not to mention the rich red label wine sauce reduction. This dish is perfect for every single occasion, for special occasions, holidays, dinners, feast, fancy meals at home. It's perfect. So the first thing you want to do is season your lamb to perfection. And to a skillet, we're going to add in some oil and season that oil with rosemary, thyme, garlic, and some Scotch bonnet pepper. We're going to sear that on all sides. Don't worry if it looks a little dark, you can scrape that off, but that's just all that herbs and seasonings nice and caramelized. After you've seared your lamb on all sides, then you're just going to look how beautiful that looks. Yes, had to pause there. That just looks gorgeous. Anyways, after you seared your lamb on all sides, you're going to pop it in a baking dish and put that in the oven to bake. Then we're going to work on our red label wine sauce reduction. This is definitely the star of the show. Here are some pro tips for extra flavor marinated overnight. And then when you're cooking it, use a meat thermometer. For medium rare, it's 130 degrees Fahrenheit, and for medium 140, and for well done it's 155 degrees Fahrenheit. Let that meat sit and rest, and then you're going to slice. After you've sliced it and plated it nice, then you're just going to drizzle on that delicious red label wine reduction. Full recipe on our website at jerktavern.com listed below.